Hey, my friend DK here. Welcome to the channel. I'm going to show you a really great tip and strategy that you can use in this video if you're looking for the simplest and easiest ways to get to the point in content when it comes to some key takeaways that you can grab from watching creators. And in this specific example, I'm going to use Gary Vaynerchuk, but if you want to apply what I'm going to show you here in this video to literally any content creator, this is something that I've found works really, really well. So let me break this down for you and let me kind of get to the point of what we're going to be talking about here in this video. What I've found is that, a lot of Gary's content, and I'm just using Gary as the example in this video. It could be anyone, whether you are into, Tony Robbins, or you're into Dale Carnegie or Earl Nightingale, or, any of those people, Jim Rohn, anyone that you follow on social media, and you're trying to get the most valuable, straightforward tips from their videos, without having to go through the whole thing. So, in this example, I love Gary Vaynerchuk. I've followed his content for years. And I also feel like for me personally, my style of marketing probably closest, is closely represented to him and his style, how he carries himself, how he's very direct. He occasionally swears in his content, as do I. I feel like our messaging is very similar, where if I were to look at other creators out there like Jim Rohn or someone like that, I mean, although I love Jim's content, my style is not really like Jim's style. So I find myself as I go through YouTube and social media, obviously because I'm a subscriber and a follower of Gary, whether it be here on YouTube or on TikTok, his content comes up in my news feed all the time. So his short videos, I found myself watching his short videos because his short videos are just that, short, you know. And in today's day and age, we have very, very short attention spans. So I'm going to show you how to kind of get by with that short attention span and still get to the key concepts, the key takeaways from videos. So as an example, when I scroll through some of Gary's content, if I just look at his most recent videos here, okay, I'm just going to click in here. I'm going to go to his most recent things. Sometimes what I'll see is I'll look at the headline or I'll look at the thumbnail, and those are obviously the things, the headlines and the thumbnails are the things that grab your attention. So as an example, when I go through and I look at some of these things right here, okay, and I look at this right here, the number one thing you should be doing online, you kind of want to watch the video and you kind of want to know right off the bat, what is that one thing that I should be doing online? Okay. And, as I scroll through 3 steps to make money in social media, right? So you think, okay, cool, 3 steps. What are those 3 steps? Is it, it's a 41-minute video. Do I want to watch the entire 41 minutes? Do I have 41 minutes of my time that I want to invest into this to get those 3 specific, make money strategies that he's talking about? So obviously I've done this over the years and I've watched these videos because there's so much other value that's drizzled throughout that video, so many other takeaways, so many other things that you can focus on, write down, notes you can take, things you can apply into your business. So I'm not here in this video to say that, don't invest your time into learning, this type of stuff. But at the same time, I'm kind of speaking out of both sides of my mouth here because I am saying if you want to bypass and save time, here is a very great strategy that I've found that you guys can use to get to the point more effectively and quicker if you don't want to invest the full 41 minutes, or some of these videos, they're an hour, 90 minutes long if you want to save that. So as an example, what I'll do here is I'll go to this video right here, okay? And I'm going to you don't even have to go into the video. I'm literally just going to grab the link, okay? I'm going to pull this up. I'm going to copy the link. And I'm going to show you guys how you can figure out. So if you want to watch this video, 3 steps to make money on social media in 2025, right? Keep that key phrase in your mind. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to combine ChatGPT and we're going to combine a specific software that I found that grabs the transcript from these videos, okay? So we're going to take this video right here, 3 steps to making money on social media in 2025. I did some Google searches and I found this website here called, I don't know if you pronounce it Comb or Comey, Kome, Comey. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to post the link the YouTube link and I'm going to generate here, and it's going to grab me the script from the entire video. Okay. Now you can see the script right here. I'm going to copy the script. Okay. It says copy to clipboard. Boom. Cool. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to ChatGPT and I'm going to say, break down this script. And you guys can use this same exact thing that I'm talking about right here. Break down this video script and give me the. Now, again, remember what the title of the video was. And I'm going to specifically ask for it. 3 best ways to make money on social media in 2025. Okay. So we're basically taking the video script. All right. 3 best ways to make money on social media in 2025. So I'm literally, okay. Then I'm going to tab down and I'm going to paste the script right there. So obviously it's a very long script. But specifically, what I'm asking ChatGPT to do is give me the information, give me the 3 best ways, okay, to grab that info right out of the headline. So we're taking the headline from the video and we're using that as part of our script here over in ChatGPT, okay? So break down this video, give me the 3 best ways to make money on social media in 2025. And that's it. I mean, that's simply it. So as an example, and we're going to swing back to that in a second here. So when you see a cool video or you see a great way for you to grab information, learn something, get some takeaways from a video, and that video happens to be a long video and you don't have the time or maybe you don't want to watch the whole thing. I'm sure if I watched that whole 41-minute video, there'd be so many other things besides those 3 big takeaways that I can get from that video. That goes without saying. All of Gary's content, any of the content that you're researching out there, there's so much more information. Just like when you're watching this video, I'm sure there's other nuggets that I've drizzled in here that you could take away aside from this main point that I'm getting at right here. So let's swing back to ChatGPT and see what they came up with, okay? So once you take that whole script, and this is what I love, it literally just breaks it down into 3 talking points, 3 points that they summarize, okay? Number 1, TikTok shop and live shopping, okay? Content creation and organic growth, leveraging social media for business marketing. And then there's a breakdown of each one. So when I see a video, as I'm scrolling through my timeline here on YouTube, and I see some of Gary's content, a great way, if you like this video right here, okay? One of the biggest opportunities on social media and AI. I could literally go do the same exact thing and I could save myself the 56 minutes and get the 3 biggest takeaways. Or you could say, what are 5 key takeaways? What are 10 key takeaways? But keep in mind, I also like to use the headline of the video. So that way it's on point with the script and the key takeaways that you're going for tied directly to the headline. So as an example, this is a shorter video. Obviously, chances are you can watch us 4 steps to build your career. You could say, what are the specific 4 steps that Gary's talking about in this video? That type of thing. But as an example, let me see if I can find something else that ties directly into, what we're talking about here. So this is the future of social media and what technology looks like. I could say, hey, what are the 3, 5, again, whatever number is that you want to use? What are the 3 biggest takeaways of social media and technology right now in 2025? You get asked for that. So with the combination of that Comey website, or Comb, however you want to pronounce that, and ChatGPT, you could find any piece of content here on YouTube and you could get a breakdown of exactly what's in that video. If it happens to be a longer form piece of content, let's say it's a 45-minute webinar, a 1-hour video, a 2-hour video, whatever it is, and there's some really great information that you're trying to get in that video, you could literally combine ChatGPT and the website I just shared with you, and you could get those bullet points, those key takeaways in literally a matter of minutes. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you made it to this point in the video, please do me a favor, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Also, hit that bell icon so you get notified anytime I upload new content here to my channel. You, my friend, will be the first to know. If you want more information about me, who I am, what we do, how I literally give you over $11,000 in free value just for partnering with me in the affiliate marketing space here online, links in the description down below. Appreciate you. Thank you for watching, my friend, and I'll see you on the next one.